Hello friends, today we are going to study modeling the nut using SolidWorks. So let's get started. We're starting from parts. So for making the nut, we'll take the plane as top plane, normal to. First we'll start from a sketch. Then polygon to draw a hexagon. Let's draw a hexagon. And a circle. Let's provide smart dimensions. OD. Let's take OD equal to 12 millimeter. And ID 10 millimeter. OD 12 is little bit less. Let's say this one equal 15 millimeter. Okay. The edge may be made vertical by using relations. Okay. Drawing is complete. Let's get out from the sketch. Exit sketch. Select the sketch and features. Extrude boss. Let's extrude from the middle plane. And extrude thickness is 10 millimeter. Let's make it 6 millimeter. Done. Complete. Now next part is we have to provide like chamfering on the both surfaces of this nut. Okay, let's select this top space, normal to. We have to draw one circle, sketch circle. Let's draw a circle which will touch the outer edge of the hexagon. Exit from the sketch. Select the sketch. Features, extrude cut. Now while extrude cut, we have to select such a way that it is cutting the outside surface only, not the internal one. So what to do is flip side to cut and tapered angle will be 45 degree. And the length you can increase. Okay. Let's see. Some tapered surface, not tapered, some chamfer is provided at the top surface. Now the same thing can be produced on the back side also by using mirror, right? Okay. So let's start with mirror one. Face plane, it will be the top plane. Then just to mirror, we have to select the extrude surfaces. Okay, it's already done. Okay, it's complete. Right. Okay. Now inside surface you have to make threads. For making threads, one easy option is available, that is with the latest versions of SolidWorks after 2016 we have got these threaded options. Directly we can do it. Otherwise we can make some helix and spiral, and at the end of the helix or spiral we can provide some profile that will make threads. That is a complex method. Easier method is to start from the whole wizard, or from whole wizard you can directly make the thread itself, right? Let's make the thread from the wizard itself. is asking the location, thread location. Let's take the edge. From here we will start the thread. Now next part is it is asking up to selection, up to which edge we want. Up to selection, that means you can take blind also. Blind means we have to provide length of thread. Up to selection means up to which edge. Take the opposite edge. Thread is done. What type of thread it is? Now is metric tab. Is metric tab selected. M10. Cut thread means it will cut material from the inside, and extrude thread means extra material will be provided. So it is cut thread, and it is left-handed we are selecting. Okay, it's done. Right, it's done. But the thing is here, the thread is ending, that position looks odd, so we have to change this one. How to change this one? Thread, edit definition. Now one option will be there like offset. We increase the length of this one. Offset, how much will offset? Will offset in a reverse direction. By 1 millimeter. Okay, fine. Now it is perfect. Thread is perfect. So nut is met. Next part is you have to provide appearance of this one. What will make it? Let's make the material. I especially like brass, so metallic. Polished brass. Brass is given. To have a better view, we'll change the background little bit. Plain white is good one. So nut is produced. Let's save this one.